Hey everyone, James Munsey, COO at Connected Solutions Group, with you from our headquarters just outside Richmond, Virginia, and have some exciting news to share with everybody today. We all know through the COVID-19 crisis that there has been a huge demand for mobile hotspots, and supply is limited. And people are looking for new innovative ways that they can deploy mobile internet out to their employees, their students, all sorts of different uses that we've seen. And we're very excited to announce that we now have a software that we can load onto devices that run Android OS of Android 8 or later that can actually take those devices and turn them into a locked down hotspot. And so it basically suppresses all the functionality that allow these devices to act as phones. All the apps stop working. In fact, they can't even be seen to the user. All the user sees is a very simple screen that is a hotspot. And all this is done through an MDM-like solution that is pushed over the air. So we could take this and a device in the field, if we have the IMEIs, we can actually cause it, as soon as it gets a factory reset, to run this mode. We can also take devices that we're shipping out here to customers and have it set up in advance so that as soon as we do a factory reset, they come back as locked down mobile hotspots. And as easy as it can be done, it can be undone. So a simple email or a phone call to us, we click a few buttons, and as soon as that device gets another factory reset, it is back into its normal phone operating system. So it solves the need for a very inexpensive mobile hotspot for the customer, and then gives them the versatility later if they want to use that as a phone or use it to access mobile applications, etc., where we can change those settings down the road. And all of this is just extremely cost effective and inexpensive. So wanted to show everybody what this looks like. So we pulled a couple of devices to use as some examples today, a Samsung A10e and a Nokia 2V. So I can pick up the Samsung, for example. I'm going to use my right hand, and I'm going to pick up this. As soon as I pick it up, that's the screen that it's going to come to. Every time you turn it on, it's just going to come up just like that. And you can click Connect Devices. The first time you turn that on, after doing the factory reset and installing this, you're going to have to flip on your mobile hotspot and kind of accept the terms there. And that just takes a second. And then I can also turn on, so it's going to verify. Then I can also turn on my Bluetooth tethering. And so now we're set there. And if I just click on my mobile hotspot on this device, it shows me now that that's what it's going to pop up as for the network. And then it also gives me my password. And so it's good to go. I can share this as a mobile device, and I can also just return back now to my home screen. And that's it. I'm good to go. So each phone, depending on the device, can work a little bit differently. On my Nokia 2V, again, I'm going to click Connect Devices. The first time, it's going to ask me I need to turn on my mobile hotspot. I can go ahead and turn on Bluetooth tethering, and it goes back to that screen. Here I can set up the Wi-Fi hotspot. And the nice thing about this on the Nokia, it actually allows me to name my network, and then I can use whatever password I want, and it's relatively easy to set it. And so I can do that, save it. And so now I'm good to go, and I can again go back to my screen. All right, so I'm here with my hotspot on, my laptop is up, and if I come up here and I go to my network selection, we of course will find our Nokia. It should ask me for a password. You remember on this one we were able to set the super simple password. So I type that in, join us up, and right away there we are. We are connected to it. So that's great. So now we can go to, let's say, YouTube, load that right up here, and whatever pops up doesn't really matter. So we'll load up a quick video here, and we can take a look and see how she does, just streaming. And, loads up no problem. We'll go ahead and pause that real quick. But so we can see how easy it was to connect. It streams no problem. We can connect multiple devices to this hotspot. And at this point, it's good to go. And again, if the customer ever wanted to take this and turn it back into a regular phone, we can do that instantaneously. Then we just do a factory reset, and it's good to go. So that's it, folks. A quick look at our handset into a mobile hotspot solution. We are ready to go with this right now, so feel free to give your CSG rep a call. They'll answer any questions that you have, explain all the details about this, but we can make this quick and simple for you, and we just look forward to helping serve you, helping to keep our country connected, and just hope everybody has a great day, stay healthy, and we'll see you soon. Thanks so much.